Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have discussed almost every point of decimal fraction in the last videos. In this video, I am going to explain some examples related with these points. If you haven't seen these videos yet, please check it out. In this first example is, if b by a equal to 0.25, then what is the value of 2a minus b upon 2a plus b plus 2 upon 9. This is the example is given. In this you can't see b by a, hence you have to adjust b by a in this example. How you can adjust it? Simply divide numerator and denominator by a. Then by dividing numerator and denominator by a, this a will cancel with the a and just remain 2 minus b upon a upon 2 plus b upon a plus 2 upon 9. Now you can substitute the given value here. Then 2 minus 0.25 upon 2 plus 0.25 plus 2 upon 9, which is equal to 2 minus 0.25 will become 1.75 upon 2 plus 0.25 will become 2.25 plus 2 upon 9, which is equal to 25 sevens are 175 and 25 nines are 225, which is equal to 7 plus 7 by 9 plus 2 by 9, which is equal to 9 by 9, which is equal to 1. Hence your option 1 is correct. Next example is, you have given the example in square root. How to solve this example? Here you can see that the sum of decimal places in numerator and denominator is same. In such cases, you can write this example as 9 into 36 into 16 into 8 upon 2 into 8 into 2. Here 8 get cancelled with 8 and 2 into 2 equal to 4 and 4 nines are 36, which is equal to 9 into 9, it will become 81 into 16, which is equal to 16 ones are 16, carry 1 and 16 eights are 128 plus 1, 129, and 1296 is the square of 36, hence which is equal to 36. Hence your option B is correct. The next example is, you have asked which of the following is equal to 1. To get 1 as the answer, the expression must have same number of decimal places in numerator and denominator. Here the decimal places in numerator are 4. Here you can see that there is square of 0.11, hence there will be 4 number of decimal places in numerator. In denominator, the number of decimal places are, here there will 2 decimal places and here it is 1. Hence 2 plus 1 will become 3. Here in numerator there are 2 number of decimal places and in denominator here is square, so there will 4 number of decimal places. Here in numerator there are here is square, so there will 6 number of decimal places and in denominator there will 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So in this example the number of decimal places in numerator and denominator are same, so this option will be equal to 1. Hence your option C is correct. The next example is, if 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on plus 9 cube is equal to 2025, then the value of 0.11 cube plus 0.22 cube plus so on plus 0.99 cube. How to solve this example? You have given the value of sum of cubes from 1 to 9 and asked to find value of this. Write 0.11 cube plus 0.22 cube plus so on plus 0.99 cube. Here you can see that 0.11 cube can be written as 0.11 into 1 whole cube plus 0.11 into 2 whole cube plus so on plus 0.11 into 9 cube. You can take 0.11 cube common from all these numbers. So this will become 0.11 whole cube into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on plus 9 cube, which is equal to the 0.11 cube is 1331 into 10 raised to minus 6 into you have given value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on plus 9 cube, which is 2025. How to make multiplication of 1331 and 2025? First make multiplication of unit digits. 5 ones are 5. Then make cross multiplication of 5 into 3 and 2 into 1 and just add it. 5 3s are 15 and 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 17. Carry 1. Then make multiplication of 5 and 3, which is equal to 15, 3 and 2, which is equal to 6, and 0 and 1, which is equal to 0, and make addition of these all. 15 plus 1 will become 16 plus 6 will become 22. Carry 2. So make multiplication of 5 into 1, which is 5, 3 into 2, which is 6, 3 into 0 will 0, and 2 into 1 will become 2, and add these. So it will become 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 2 15. Carry 1. So make cross multiplication of 2 and 1, which is 2, 3 and 0, which is 0, and 3 and 2, which is equal to 6, and addition will get 9. So here will come 9. Then make cross multiplication 0 and 1, which is equal to 0, and 3 into 2, which is equal to 6, and 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So this will the multiplication of 1331 and 2025 into 10 raised to minus 6. Here there is the power of 10 is in minus, so we'll move decimal places from right to left. So there will be move 6 decimal places. Hence your answer will 2.695. Hence your option C is correct. Next example is the expression 3 by 4 plus 5 by 36 plus 7 by 144 plus so on plus 17 upon 5184 plus 19 upon 8100. You have to find value of these fractions. So 3 by 4 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 upon 36 can be written as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 9. 7 upon 144 can be written as 1 by 9 minus 1 by 16 plus so on plus 19 upon 8100 can be written as 1 upon 81 minus 1 upon 100. Here you can see that there are alternate signs for 1 by 4, 1 by 9, 1 by 16 and so on. Here in the preceding term there will be minus 1 upon 81. So these all get cancelled. You will remain with 1 minus 1 upon 100, which is equal to, make cross multiplication, 100 minus 1 upon 100, which is equal to 99 upon 100, which is equal to 0.99. Hence your option C is correct. The next example is you have to find value of this decimal fraction. When there will such a complicated examples, we have just tried to fit them in some formula. Here you can see that here we will assume A equal to 0.943 and B equal to 0.057. Here you can see that there is multiplication of 0.943 and 0.943. So you can write it as A square minus A into B plus B square upon, here you can see that there are multiplication of 0.943 3 times, hence you can write it as a cube, plus same here is also multiplication of 0.057 3 times, you can write it as b cube. Hence it will become a square minus ab plus b square upon, the formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this will get cancelled with this and you are remain with 1 upon a plus b. Hence 1 upon your a is 0.943 plus b is 0.057, which is equal to 1 upon the addition of 0.943 and 0.057 is 1, which is equal to 1. Hence your option C is correct. Next example is the fraction equivalent to 2 upon 5% is. 2 upon 5% can be written as 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 100. Just simply solve it. 2 5s are 10, which is equal to 1 upon 250. Hence your option C is correct. Next example is solve 3 by 5 of 4 by 7 of 5 by 12 of 1015. So this can be solved as 3 upon 5 into 4 upon 7 into 5 upon 12 into 1015. 3 4s are 12. This 4 get cancelled with this 4. Also 5 get cancelled with this 5 and 7 1s are 7, carry 3, it will become 31. 7 4s are 28, carry 3 and 7 5s are 35. Hence which is equal to 145. Hence your option C is correct. Next you have to ask to find the value of 0.125 plus 0.027 upon 0.5 into 0.5 plus 0.09 minus 0.15. As I said before, if you have given such complicated example, just try to fit this in some formula. Here you can see that this is cube of 0.5 and this is cube of 0.3. Hence in the denominator you can also see there is 0.5 and the square of 0.3. So here we will assume a equal to 0.5 and b equal to 0.3. This is cube of a plus b cube upon a square plus b square minus the 0.15 is multiplication of 0.5 and 0.3. So you can write it as minus ab, which is equal to, again write formula for a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square upon a square minus ab plus b square. This will get cancelled with this and you are remained with only a plus b, which is equal to 0.5 plus 0.3, which is equal to 0.8. Hence your option C is correct. Next example is 1.27 bar in the form p by q is equal to what? I have discussed many examples of such fractions in previous videos. This is pure recurring decimal fraction. The 1.27 bar can be written as 1 plus 0.27 bar, which is equal to 1 plus 27 upon 9. 9 3s are 27, 9 1s are 9 and 9 1s are 9, which is equal to 1 plus 3 upon 11. Just make cross multiplication of it. 11 1s are 11 plus 3, it will become 14 upon 11. Hence your option B is correct.